Hello friends, this is FlipScout, and we decided to record a short video with a real trading session to show you a live example of how to use our service. Besides the real trades, we'll also show a few examples of good tokens that were found with our filters, or even automatically opened in the browser using our app. What you're seeing on the screen now is a token launched by a Twitter user who also created a community and attached it to this Memecoin. This is only the second token from this creator. Based on the fact that the first one showed pretty good results the day before, his new token sparked our interest and caught our attention. The price dropped quite a bit, and I didn't feel like buying any more, but nevertheless we saw it grow by more than double. Now pause this video and take a close look at the metrics of his previous token. The open price, the price movement in the first 5 and 10 seconds. These are motion and BMotion respectively. Observe the maximum market capitalization and the consistent growth discernible from this token's initial 10 bars. Now this is interesting. I just saw green indicators for all three previous tokens, and the most recent one was launched an hour ago. The price is quite low, so I'm making a purchase. By the way, you should establish a specific price range for yourself, within which you allow yourself to buy, and integrate this as a crucial component of your trading strategy, which you should never violate. We're observing a growth of 20% here. Subsequently, it rapidly surges to 35%. I've decided to secure profits. I don't like holding coins for extended periods, but monitoring this token and reviewing the dev's past tokens is quite intriguing. This developer is quite reliable. All of their tokens have a track record of multiplying in value by 2 or 3 times, consistently delivering substantial returns for investors. This makes them a noteworthy and potentially lucrative option for those looking to engage in cryptocurrency trading. Their consistent performance suggests a strong understanding of market dynamics and a knack for creating successful digital assets. And the price here reached a full 100%, but we got our share, so I'm not really upset. Next token. I saw it on the right in Axiom. I noticed how quickly the number of holders was growing, and that got me interested. Despite the negative motion and BMotion on prior tokens, it's worth noting that they all ultimately closed in the green regarding maximum market capitalization. This is risky, but I want to try buying this token. I'll wait for an impulse on a drawdown or a rise. If the price stays within my strategy's range, I'll buy. We've got a 20% growth, let's wait a bit more. We're seeing sells. I immediately lost the desire to keep holding this token. Closing at 0. The most important thing is that it isn't a loss. Congrats to those who waited for the growth and made 50-90% profit. Let's move on. Now, I wish to slightly alter the motion highlighting. Given that our filters target a minimum growth of 10%, I want to emphasize the motion table starting from 10%. And now, let's switch on the automatic browser tab opening. If a token that meets my straightforward filters is found, it will instantly pop open in a new browser tab, allowing me to execute a trade with maximum speed. And right away, FlipScout finds a suitable token and opens it. I quickly assess the metrics. The price is currently at low levels. It's a quick buy opportunity. Quick flip, plus 19% profit. And so, yet another token opens automatically. I quickly return to the service tab and then I perform a swift assessment. The price isn't high and is dropping even more. Let's make the purchase. Only the last token was launched relatively recently. It grew by 80%, but we're seeing a lot of red bars. This isn't good. Smart money is entering and there's a 40% growth. And we are witnessing a drawdown. I've chosen to sell since the DEV's last token didn't quite appeal to me, and the previous ones were 8 days outdated. FlipScout opens another token. The stats are pretty average, but I decide I'll keep an eye on this token. If only we had taken the risk and purchased it based on the same pattern as the previous token. From our entry, the price nearly doubled. but no big deal, there will be new opportunities. On this occasion, I had simply stepped away from my computer for a moment, and consequently, I regrettably missed out on a truly outstanding token. Remarkably, FlipScout autonomously identified and opened this new token, which subsequently proved to be exceptionally promising and performed quite well. It showed the entry pattern I used like clockwork, and the price shot up to almost a 2x from my potential entry point. When I got back, all I could do was look at the metrics of the previous tokens from this DEV and congratulate those who got in on it. Another automatic opening. I quickly review the metrics of past tokens. I like them, so I'll buy. The token also showed an entry pattern and a low price. There's a 25% increase in value, so I decide to secure my profit and calmly get what's rightfully ours. Friends, and so, our video comes to a close. We are truly pleased if you've stayed with us until the very end, and if the content we presented proved to be both interesting and beneficial for you. We genuinely wish everyone abundant profits and effortlessly smooth trades. Farewell for now.